everyone, welcome to my channel. It seemed like I haven't talked to you guys from very long time because I didn't have this kind of chit chat video because recently all my videos are very like recipes video, you know, I'm showing you something. So I thought, why not sit here today and talk to you guys, because lately I've been so busy. School will be opening soon, so we were getting things ready for the school, as well as we had a guest over, so we were just busy with that. So life has been really busy and so many things going on, and I thought, why not talk to you guys? I can update you and tell you guys what's going on in my life. So recently when we had the guest over, we went to mall, and that time I mentioned, you know, that I bought only one thing. We went there to get the things for kids, but they didn't like anything. But of course I like everything, right? So I bought one thing, and that is this Origin skincare kit. I heard really good stuff about this brand, but I never use anything from this line, so I didn't have any idea how the products are, and I just didn't want to buy anything big, you know. So I was like, I can buy this small, and this one has everything from the face wash to the mask. So there is a face wash, there is a lotion there is a charcoal mask, as well as serum is there too. Yes, serum is there too. So there is a 5 things, and I believe it was like a $34. I bought it from Macy's. I'm gonna link this down in the description box if you are interested. I haven't used any of this stuff because I thought, like, I'll share with you guys first, and then I'll use it, and if I like it, and I'll tell you guys how I feel about this. So it's really good, especially let's say if you're traveling. It's a good size, and once I'm done with this, the pouch is really cute, so I can use the bag for something else also. So that was the first thing that I bought it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you all my makeup stuff first. So the second thing I bought is MAC mini lipstick set, and basically this one I bought it when they had the Nordstrom anniversary sale. So if you're not familiar with that, basically they have the anniversary sale, and that usually before the fall. And all the stuff they have for in the sale, it's the stuff that is coming for the fall and winter. So it's not like the stuff that they want to get rid of it. They have the sale on it, and the prices is really good. They market anywhere from like 20 to 60, 70% off. So they have really good stuff during that time. And just for the makeup and beauty, most of the brand, they make like a special things for just for that anniversary time. So that's where I saw this one, and the first day when I saw it, I was like, yeah, okay, you know, second day I will go back and get it. When I went online second day, it was sold out completely. So I was like, oh, okay, you know, now it's gone, it's gone. But then after a few days again I checked, and then they had it, so I got it. I was like, yes, I had to have this. And as you can see, it's a 5 really good lipstick set, and these are all wearable. You know, they are really good, creamy consistency, as well as the colors are really nice. So the first one I'm trying here, it is called HONEYLOVE, and it is very nude color. Second one is the Ruby Woo, and that is the orangey red color. Next one is the Twig, and that is my most favorite color because it's basically your lips but better kind of color. It's a dusty rosy color. And the next one is the Wall. This is the most famous color from MAC lipstick line. The next one is the Velvet Teddy, and this is my second most favorite color. So when I was at the mall from Sephora, I bought this Urban Decay All Night Long Lasting Setting Spray. Once you spray this on your face, your makeup is not gonna budge at all. It doesn't matter how much humidity is out there or the weather is like really hot. Doesn't matter what it is, your makeup will not budge at all. So the way I use this is, before I start my makeup, I spray this first on my face and then apply the makeup, and again at the end I spray this, and that way my makeup lasts long entire day. So I had used this before, but then that time I bought the smaller one, so this time I bought the bigger one. And also I used this before when they had the Sephora sale. I mentioned that time in my video. So that time I bought 2 of them, and this one is the Dr. Jart Hydro Mask. And first of all, the packaging is awesome, you know, it's so cute. And what it is like there is a 2 package in there, so you had to mix both of them, shake it really good, and then apply on your face. So this one particular one is the Hydro Mask. So basically it's give you all that hydration to your face. So let's say you've been out in the sun all day long and then your skin feels dry, so that's where you want to use this. Or your skin is just dry in winter months, you can use this also. So last time when they had the Sephora sale, I bought 2 of them, and I had completely loved both of them so much. So this time I was like, yes, I want to buy this. So that's the reason I bought this one. Next, I bought 2 lipstick. The first one is from Bobbi Brown, and this one they call Art Stick Liquid Lipstick. And this is how it looks like. And I really like the color, you know, because for every day I like a dusty mauvey rosy color, and that's what this color is. So basically I mean, actually I'm not too big fan of the applicator the way it is. It's very plasticky, but you have to be very careful when you are like right here in the corner. So all you need to do is squeeze the product once the product comes, and then you just go ahead and apply. So that is the first thing. The next one I bought it, this one is from Clinique, and it's a Pop Liquid Matte color, and the color is Sweetheart Pop. And again, I really like the color of this. It's really goes very well with the Indian outfit. So that's the reason I bought this one. Okay, so that's it for the makeup. I'm gonna move to the other stuff now. And all this stuff we bought it from Outlet Mall, because we went to regular mall, kids didn't like anything, so we went to Outlet Mall after a couple of days, because as most of you know, there's so many different brands there, so they can choose from any of them wherever they feel like it. So as most of you know, I love walking. I walk anywhere from 3 to 5 miles every single day, and it's really important for me to make sure that I have comfortable shoes. And sorry for the noise because they are cutting the grass back there. Anyways, so I was in the market to buy new shoes, and not just any shoes, because I had a color in my mind. You know, I was like, I need that particular color. So the one that I'm wearing, it's comfortable, everything is fine, but as most of you know that when you walk a lot, almost every single day, of course the sole do get used, and after a certain time you need to replace that, otherwise you get the knee problem or the ankle hurts and all that stuff. So I was in the market, so I went to Nike, Adidas, Under Armour, almost everyone, and to see if I can find that color, and finally I found it at the Adidas. So that's where I bought the shoes. This one has a memory foam in it. As you can see, the color is very muted, and I really like it. And usually my shoe size, it's bigger because you have the socks. And when I went there, I was looking for my size. They didn't have my size. So I was like, oh my gosh, I want this so badly, and now they don't have it. And if you are from state, I'm sure you must be familiar with it, that outlet is basically, you can go online and see if they have the same one, because outlet is a little bit different than the regular one, and of course the price is different too. So I was like, okay, you know, I'm done. Then I'm not gonna have any shoes today. And I was like, yeah, okay, that's fine. You know, I mean, I can always try on some other day. But then one of the, you know, the person who works there, he was walking by, and I asked him, I said, can I please ask you to check this inside and see if you have it? And he went inside. He's like, sorry, ma'am, we don't have it. And I was like, okay. And there was a lady next to me. She was looking all this stuff when I was talking, and when I was saying to my kids, like, oh, you know, they don't have my size, I can get it, I like this so much and all that. She was holding one shoes in her hand, but it was like this in the box. So I didn't know what's in there. And she literally, after a few minutes, she came to me and she's like, ma'am, here, this is your size, you want to get it? And I was like, no, 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 you know, you are buying it, so don't worry about it. I mean, I don't want it, it's fine. And she's like, no, I have 3 of them. This is just one of them extra that I was getting it just in case. So it's your size, and I see you that you want it so badly. Why don't you buy it? And I felt so sorry. I was like, no, no, it's okay. But she was really like in her 60s, 70s. She was really nice lady. And she's like, if your mother tells you to get it, you won't get it. And I didn't hesitate that time. I was like, no, give it to me. You know, so she was so nice. She's like, no, just get it. I was like, okay. So that's how I bought the shoes, and I really enjoy this color. I still haven't worn it, but I really like the color. So this is it, friends. That's my shopping from last few weeks. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. And this video is basically my reason to sit here and talk to you guys and do the chit chat basically. And I'm so sorry that I'm not uploading videos on time recently, and the reason is because we had a guest. So when we had a guest, you know, I just didn't want them to feel left out or feel kind of neglected, like what is she doing, why she's not with us, you know. So I want to spend the time with them, and now they are gone. I need to get the kids ready for the school, because the school will open in few weeks now, and older one will be in the high school, and the younger one has one more year for the middle school. So I need to get all the stuff ready for them, and I'm also traveling. I'm traveling within a couple of days, so any guesses where I'm going? Leave the comments below, guys. Let me know where I'm going. But I've been so blessed, so happy from last few weeks. Of course, I'm always happy. You know, I usually don't let that negative stuff get me, or I don't hold on to any of the stuff for a very long time. Yes, it bothers me. Yes, I do think about it. But then, you know, very next moment, I also think that it's okay, you know, and I try to see the positive side of it. But only thing I just want to share here is, when you are right, when you know that you are not hurting anybody, you are doing what you're supposed to do, doesn't matter if the entire world is against you, you stick to yourself. Put your foot down and say enough is enough. This is it. It is gonna be that way. And believe me, friends, he's watching you. Your prayer will be answered. You know, yes, it might take longer, but he always watching. He knows what is right for you. And that same thing happened in my case. I was trying to fight for something which I know that I was right. I knew it has to be that way, but the other party was trying to do anything to get the stuff what they wanted. And entire world, I mean, whoever knows me, you know, they were like, just finish it, just let it go, just let it go. And I was like, no, I'm not gonna let it go that way. Why? Because it's not right. You know, I'm not trying to get the stuff out of their hand and just get it, but I'm not doing that. I'm not trying or willing to do something that it's not ethically right. So I stick to myself, and I pray so hard to God that, God, if I'm right, if you know that what I'm doing is right, please help me here. And finally my prayer was answered. I got what I wanted, and I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy right now that I'm sure my parents must be very happy, and I know their blessing is always with me, and because of their blessing I got it what I wanted. So that's all I want to share with you guys, that if you know you are right, doesn't matter who's against you, stick to yourself. You know, never give up, guys. Never give up. So this is it, friends. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.